it's the commitment of VIEW Systems to evaluate in a scientific and a rigorous manner the potential of automated whole breast ultrasound for screening lower risk women with dense breasts, that population of women that do not qualify or make the criteria for breast MRI, but do have the limitations of mammography as well as the intrinsic increased risk by virtue of the fact that they have dense breasts.
VIEW Systems, the company dedicated to breast imaging, brings you SomoV, the automated ultrasound system that delivers the precision you expect from the technology you know.
VIEW Systems is now beginning to undertake a very rigorous and large trial to scientifically evaluate the role of automated whole breast ultrasound for additional cancer detection in moderate to low risk women with dense breasts. It's a very large study. It's going to accrue over 20,000 women because of the low incidence of breast cancer in a screening population.
The SomoV is a breast ultrasound device used as an adjunct to mammography and physical examination to better characterize solid breast lesions.
Mammographically, dense breasts present as a whiter breast, and cancer is white. And so it can be very difficult to discern a cancer, a white cancer, in a white background. It's much like trying to find a specific cloud in a cloud-filled sky. That, coupled with the fact that breast density is a strong independent risk factor for developing breast cancer, makes the limitation of mammography in women with dense breasts all that much more troublesome. There is still a need to develop and implement adjunct imaging modalities to improve the detection of breast cancer beyond that which we can do with mammography.
And I think it unlocks a key that we could be missing with the mammogram, and that is what's in this dense tissue we're seeing in the mammogram, and ultrasound is the window into that dense tissue.
Ultrasound has been a very important tool in detecting breast cancer for a long time. We use it for diagnosis, we use it to evaluate palpable findings, mammographic findings, and certainly there have been studies looking at high-risk women with screening ultrasound. But because ultrasound has no ionizing radiation, there's really no downside to the patient in terms of the study itself. It has a great potential to help us improve breast cancer diagnosis in certain populations of women.
Using the nipple as an exact landmark, any point on the image can be referenced by clock position, distance from the nipple, and depth from the skin surface. All this combines to make SomoV the system of choice for breast ultrasound imaging.
It's a very reproducible, very simple exam to perform. You know, the scanner is just placed right over the breast. It scans a wide area at once, and that's all available in the computer.
It's like a broad sweep, and it's always in one direction, so you've got a consistency on how things are scanned.
The total scan is usually complete in approximately 60 seconds. The technologist then reviews the image, confirms the nipple location in the dataset, and sends the images to the SomoV View Station for review. The patient image data are now at the SomoV View Station. There are extensive reading protocols that give the physician flexible viewing options. Standard ultrasound viewing options are available, but the key advantage is that the physician can view the images from any angle and any dimension, as if the woman were still on the exam table. An additional benefit in ultrasound viewing is SomoV's wide-field coronal view. This view shows the tissue and structures following the normal anatomy of the breast from skin surface to chest wall.
When you can suddenly see the entirety or most of the breast on one picture with a coronal reconstruction, you begin to see anatomy that you haven't seen before. You can see the subcutaneous fat and then entering the tissue as you go deeper into the breast from the coronal, starting at the skin and the nipple and moving back to the chest wall all the way to the ribs.
It makes it much more an inviting realm for somebody who might be a body imager. Immediately they'll feel comfortable with breast on this coronal ultrasound view. And this is the only way to scan the breast in a coronal view other than MRI right now. But we feel like we're probably seeing even more detail than MRI can at this point with these coronal views, catching cancers that were completely occult.
Handheld ultrasound is very operator dependent, so it's not translatable from one person to the other, and as well as the large time commitment and constraint that it takes to do bilateral breast ultrasound screening.
With SomoV, image acquisition is now separated from image reading and evaluation. SomoV, with standardized acquisition and repeatable views, is no longer completely dependent on the operator's expertise. SomoV represents workflow efficiencies, increasing diagnostic confidence, providing state-of-the-art patient care.
It's very much kind of like adding CT and MR to a practice that was, plain film before.
U Systems is really committed to undertaking a rigorous study and to examining objectively what the incremental improvement in cancer detection is really going to be using this approach. I think it's very exciting, there's a lot of potential, and it's unquestionably worthy of the investigation that's being undertaken.